Igho me wadoo. Kebo wanye maybe your memory mote owa uyono Urhobo ayiru we Aunty Christy ogenenye ro happy Igho umukuru. Ujo nwanyi na amita kpare IBIETA yẹrẹ ibiebe we Urhobo. Last class I talked about alphabets in Urhobo language. So today I want to talk about the vowel sounds in Urhobo and consonant sound combined to form 2-letter words. Ibiebe ruho KUGBE ranko riku KUGBE well there IBIETA rive Urhobo. Oyibo me go not talk mana. Now in Urhobo language, you know we have 25 alphabets like what I talked about last class. Now I want to talk about the vowel sounds in Urhobo language. Vowel sound, we have 7 vowel sounds in Urhobo language. The 7 vowel sounds are that is letter A, letter E without dot, letter E again with dot, then letter I, letter O without dot, and letter O with dot, and finally letter U. The 7 vowel sounds in Urhobo are pronounced as follows: A, E, I, O, U. The letter A sound as A. Then the letter E without dot sound as A. Then the letter E with dot sound as E. The letter I sound as E. The letter O without dot sound as O. The letter O with dot sound as O. Letter U sound as U. Now I want to combine the consonant sound with vowel sound in Urhobo to pronounce 2-letter words. Letter B: ba, be, be, bo, boo. There is no letter C in Urhobo language. We only have letter C when it comes to when you want to pronounce 3-letter words or 2-letter words in Urhobo. Now I'm going to letter D. D sound as da, de, di, do, do. Letter F sound as fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Letter G sound as ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Letter H sound as ha, he, hi, ho, hu. Letter J sound as ja, je, ji, jo, ju. Letter K sound as ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Letter L sound as la, le, li, lo, lu. Letter M sound as ma, me, mi, mo, mu. Letter N sound as na, ne, ni, no, nu. Letter P sound as pa, pe, pi, po, pu. Letter R sound as ra, re, ri, ro, ru. Letter S sound as sa, se, si, so, su. Letter T sound as ta, te, ti, to, tu. Letter V sound as va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Letter W sound as wa, we, wi, wo, wu. Letter Y sound as ya, ye, yi, yo, yo, you. Letter Z sound as za, ze, ze, zi, zo, zo, zoo. Remember, vowel sound is IBIETA ruwo, while consonant sound is IBIETA rako. So, Etinẹ midike kwe uyono mena uyono nena. In our next class, we go straight to the 3-letter words in Urhobo. So let's try and learn these ones and familiarize ourselves with it, so that we can do better when we go to the next stage. Urhobo ọvwọ ebiko Urhobo me wanyere mewe mote owa onya Urhobo na oye me oya ovi social media na more. So ko isoro fori no wa nenu we wa vini of wa vi mo wa vi gbe yan wa nenu we Facebook o de Facebook me Aunty Christy O Igho. I say nenu we Instagram Christy O Igho. I say nenu we YouTube account me amiru eneje na mi ya yo vi YouTube na in case abi my Facebook okineje wo de ro vi YouTube ku o sam line. Oh yeah, YouTube udai YouTube me Aunty Christy O Igho force. Then Odemeri TikTok KUGBE Lady Christy Igho. Odemeri Twitter Lady Christy Igho. Odemeri Snapchat Lady Christy Igho. Ebiko wane no moto wa. Click on the follow button. In any way you see Christy Igho, Lady Christy Igho, Christy O Igho force, just tap the follow button and follow me. On YouTube, tap the subscribe button so that you can follow your sister. At least one je encourage me, but me ji work one and one je encourage me in a way so that me je any yes you for me na I will work ka Urhobo na o ma ko we work na je si mi diro wa ko biwo wa iko nenu weje wa iko obo cha weje me wuye oro wa me kasa pe wa re biji kase bro wan chun we okene je ni me are pe o wan fiki obo wa kebe e ke vovu me mlo boro wa we ogene bru yo ko wan je wan nenu weje ogene bru yo ko wan eje yo no Urhobo na eyo na ma e ma ma ni Urhobo ila me ko je rin obura ju Urhobo na ele fe Urhobo ma na owo je gro Urhobo wadoo Urhobo olele ivyesa o monu Urhobo mena o olele ivyesa Urhobo kokore ogbare Urhobo olele ivyesa obolu Urhobo jere na sofa je woti oye ede family apo toru Urhobo mbeware Urhobo olele ivyesa o anyoma Urhobo ọvwọ ebiko wa nenu we o mi we gona o wa o wadoo amne kesi efa o.